Hi everyone, welcome to KichaTube HD. Today I got a mail from Bangladesh, Mahdi Ashraf. Hi Mahdi Ashraf. Hello, let me read out the mail. Hello, how are you? Hope fine. My sister is a 12-year-old little chef, but big fan of you. She made me friends and family to subscribe. Thank you so much. I live in Bangladesh, so it will cost a lot to call. Please make my sister's favorite food, Oreo shake, and release it on your channel. It's my favorite too, Oreo shake. I want to give her this as a surprise birthday gift. Her name is Sarah. She calls her Chef Star always. Hello Sarah. Today I'm going to make our favorite Oreo shake. In a mixie, add vanilla ice cream, sugar, chocolate syrup. It's melted chocolate. Next, add the Oreos. And finally, the milk. Cloves. And mix. It's ready. In a serving glass, drizzle chocolate syrup around the edges. Now add the Oreo shake. Add whipped cream over it. Next, garnish with crushed Oreos. Finally, drizzle a little bit more chocolate syrup. And here we go, Oreo shake, just for you, Sarah. Don't forget to subscribe, like and follow in Facebook, YouTube and Twitter to KichaTube. Bye! Just for you. Hello, Cold.